Hi there and welcome to another tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking blog to your website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, a simple and easy to use tool to embed a blog into your existing website. Today we're looking at ycode. It's a no-code website builder and let's just dive right into it. So I have my ycode account and I have a project here. And I just created a new project with one of the templates. So I'm just gonna open it right here. And it's a very powerful no-code builder with a beautiful menu here. And this is a template I chose. Okay, and let's say here in the middle, I want to add my blog. So I click here on the top and I select section and I drag it here. All right, so now I have my section here. And let's add a heading 2 into this section and say our blog. Okay, and then we have to go all the way to the right, embed it, and we say HTML embed, and we drop it here, just underneath our blog headline. Also, what you can see here on the right side, you can actually see what's happening with the page structure, and this is a section we just added, the heading 2 we added, and the embedded blog. So I just click on edit code, and here I have to put in the BlogHandy code. So let's go to BlogHandy. And on the dashboard under getting started, we have our code snippet. We just copy the first bit of it, go back to ycode, click on edit code, and we paste it. And then back to BlogHandy, and we take the second snippet, click again on edit code, we paste it, and that's it. It will tell you empty container here, but if you now preview and go down, there we have it. This is our blog already being loaded. And well, this is a preview. We want to publish the page. Let's publish this. Update. Okay, let's open this. This is our page, and we take the URL, we copy it, and in BlogHandy under settings we paste it here, and we click on save all changes. Let's go back to it, refresh it. Okay, this is our blog. We can click on the blog post, for example. It loads. It automatically takes over the font and design of our ycode page. We can click on back to blog. That's it. If you've got any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help you integrate your ycode page with your BlogHandy blog. And happy blogging. Bye bye.